I think Abed has the hiccups. Let's see if he does it. There it is. Abed has the hiccups. Aww. And he's feeling snuggly wuggly and curious about my glasses. These two are a delight. Yes, they are, even when they're actively attacking my face and each other. Yeah. Hey, bird bugs. Well, those hiccups are all better. Yeah.